Hey friends, if you wish to enable the Game Bar Task Manager on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Game Bar in the Windows search bar and then go to Game Bar under System. Okay, now there is something here. The fourth icon from the top which says Performance. Click on this, and this is the Game Bar Task Manager. As you can see, it is very similar to the normal task manager, but it is specific for gaming users. Although it does give system information, but an added information here is with the GPU and RAM. We can get this information on the normal task manager as well, but this is straight on the spot. And if you are running a game, it will also show the FPS. So I think this is an excellent tool for gamers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.